Unlocking the meaning of a river of tears. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful depths of the English language. Today, we're going to explore an evocative phrase that paints a vivid picture in just a few words: a river of tears. This phrase is not only poetic but also rich in meaning, and understanding it can add a new layer of expressiveness to your English communication. So, let's get started and flow into the world of metaphors and emotions. At its core, a river of tears is a metaphor. It doesn't literally mean that someone is crying a whole river's worth of tears. Instead, it vividly describes a great amount of crying or a deep feeling of sadness. When someone says they've cried a river of tears, they're expressing that they've been through a significant period of sorrow or grief, so intense that it could fill a river. Metaphors are a key part of the English language, allowing us to convey complex feelings and images in a way that's immediately understandable. A river of tears is a perfect example of how metaphors can create a strong emotional impact. By comparing something intangible, a person's sadness, to something vast and natural, a river, the phrase amplifies the emotional weight of the situation. This is why metaphors are so powerful and widely used in everyday language, literature, and speeches. Now that we understand the meaning and impact of this phrase, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. After hearing the tragic news, she cried a river of tears, feeling an immense loss. The movie was so touching that it left the audience in a river of tears. He had been through so much pain that he said he could cry a river of tears. Using this phrase in your conversations or writing can help convey a deep level of emotional expression, showing empathy or shared sadness. A river of tears is a beautiful, though melancholic, metaphor that brings to life the depth of human emotions. By understanding and using phrases like this, you can enrich your English communication, making it more vivid and expressive. We hope this exploration into the phrase has been enlightening and will help you convey your feelings more profoundly. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing those emotions. Goodbye, and take care.